Hi, my name is Dr. Rola, clinical psychologist, and today I want to talk to you about how to break a bad habit. I'm going to talk to you about 3 ways to do that. The very first thing I want you to pay attention to as you begin to take steps to break the cycle of this negative behavior is that the behavior you're engaging in is not as reflexive as you think. When you're used to doing something again and again, it starts to feel like it's such a part of your personality and that you can't help but do it. I want you to realize that there's a series of actions that take place before you actually engage in the behavior. It is more of a process, even though it doesn't feel like it. That hopefully makes you feel that you're more in control than you think you are. So if you are addicted to substances, there's a series of action that goes on before you actually abuse the substance. It could be the time when you have the craving for the substance. It could be the phone call to the drug dealer or the person who's supplying the substance. It could be finding the money or borrowing the money to be able to pay for the drug. Then driving to meet the person who's supplying the drug. Does that show you, hopefully, how there's a process that takes place before the behavior? And that helps you to know that you can begin to attack change by focusing on how to prevent the behavior. And that's why the second thing you need to do is to focus on prevention. Put some roadblocks in place at these different places where you go to before you actually engage in the behavior to make it difficult for you to do that behavior again. Put roadblocks, so to speak, in place to make it difficult for you to keep on doing that behavior as if it's reflective, because it's really not. And then the third thing is correction. Have a plan for relapse. If you eventually relapse or fall into the behavior, put some actions in place that would help you to get back on track so that you can get back on track on the process of change. So the first thing is the behavior is not as reflective as you think. Secondly, focus on preventing the behavior from happening by putting roadblocks in place at those stages before you engage in the behavior. And have a plan for relapse so that when you make the mistake, which can happen, don't give up on yourself and have some plans in place to get back on track. Whatever that bad habit is, you're showing strength by being vulnerable and by being accountable. Make a plan to prevent the behavior from happening and also make a plan for getting back on track if you relapse. If something I've said you like, let me know. Leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and let's keep this conversation going.